Okay, so one of the first things we're going to look at is creativity. And before we can promote creativity in young children, we have to look at our own creativity as adults and teachers. Now, you say, why is creativity so important? Well, research has shown that the more creative a child is, the better they learn in school. Think about, we wouldn't have any of the inventions. We wouldn't have anything in the world if it wasn't creativity. Creativity means we're thinking and we're coming up with things. But let's go back to what I originally said. In order for us to encourage creativity in young children, we have to look at our own creativity ourselves. So what we're going to do this week is you're going to look at some resources and take a couple of quizzes online to determine your own creativity. Now, one thing that's really important to remember is we are all creative. Creativity is not painting and drawing. Creativity is so many things. We are all creative in our own special way. And so that's one thing I want you to be thinking of, is how you are creative. It's simple things. Are you able to create your own recipes? Are you able to, decorate? Are you able to, have a green thumb? So many things. There's so many ways that we're all creative. So keep an open mind and always remember you are creative.